Hi and hello. Welcome to the lecture series of blockchain technology. Myself M.Naveenraj, Assistant Professor, Department of CSA IoT, SNS College of Technology. So, in today's topic, we are going to see about what are the various types of minings and what are the key challenges in mining, what are the future trends of mining. Okay, in blockchain, mining is the major important concepts everyone should know about who are working in the blockchain technology, because it provides a very good security and trustable environment in the transaction history. So blockchain technology is one of the technology which provides a lot of security rather than comparing with other types of technologies which are using for transaction data. Okay, so in that we are looking about the mining. So in the mining process we have different types of mining. So now we are using various hardwares for doing this mining process. So mining is nothing but creating a new block and finding out the previous hash value and putting that all the transaction in the empty pages. That's called as mining process. So what are the cashiers doing in the bank will same process will be done by the miner. So here, okay, so for that they will get salary. Normally in the bank the cashier will get a salary, but here they will get reward as a Bitcoin. So they can use that Bitcoin for making the conversion to money, and also they can use it for getting interest in. They can use it for some business also. Okay, so here for that mining process we use a lot of hardwares. Okay, for that mining, because we use computers. The computers with fast mechanism we will find out the correct block first, so that the mining will be done by the fastest computer. For the fastest computer they will use some other strategies like CPU mining, GPU mining, okay, FPGA mining, so ASIC mining, like that. There are a lot of challenges, different types of minings that we are using every day, because based on the trends they are keep on changing which types of minings are used. Okay, so first one is a CPU mining. So normally for doing some mining process, for doing some mathematical calculations, they have used in 2009 to 2000. That is only 1 year. During that 1 year of time they were used CPU, but they feel that efficiency is very low when using your CPU mining, for CPU for mining process. Okay, so later they have invented in the 2010 by GPU, graphics card. Okay, so this graphics card was very good performance. That is 100% performance increase over the CPUs. So compared to the CPU, it provides GPU, graphic card interface, provides the valid transactions for more than 10 times compared to CPU mining. Okay, then which was considered as a fastest mining hardware at the time of 2010 to 2013, that the GPU mining was considered as a fastest mining hardware. Later, okay, in the 2011 itself, in while GPU mining is introduced, during that time itself, 2011 to 13, FPGA mining was introduced. Okay, so this is a average full field program gate array logic. Okay, so every devices will have you can do your own program. The same device can be used for multi-purpose. For example, I can use this as a multiplexer, I can use this as a demultiplexer, I can use this as a transmitter or communicator or receiver or anything. So based so for that you have to do some different programs. So based on the programming you are doing, so you can use the same devices for all the multi-purposes. Okay, so this FPGA becomes more famous during that time, 2011 to 2013. So they have used FPGA also for mining process, so that efficiency also compared with other two types of mining in CPU. So these are the various hardwares that is used for mining process. And one more hardware we can use is ASIC. Okay, so ASIC mining, it is now currently using everyone. So 2013 to present they were using ASIC, application oriented mining process. Okay, so these are the various types of hardware mining process, hardwares used for the mining process. And then we are into the key challenges that we are facing during the mining process, very very important. So first thing is high energy consumption. So we are using fast computers, more amount of hardware, CPU, GPU. So we can consume a lot of electricity. It produces a lot of heats. Okay, so that may be your key challenges. So for that we have to take remedial actions in order to avoid this type of challenges. Then only we can able to create a peaceful environment in the mining process. Okay, then e-waste generation. So this is very very important. Another key challenge that we are facing here is e-waste generation. Okay, so while working with the hardwares, we are spending lot of money to buy the hardwares, but here this e-waste, the electronic waste, because of the large amount of electricity and this one, so there are so many electronic wastes are coming out. So this e-waste management and generation is very very high in terms of mining the hardware. Okay, then centralization of mining power. So large mining terms control significant portions of network hardwares. Okay, so here these are the very high energies wasting, and what are the electronic waste, lot of electronics waste are happening. So if anyone want to do some process or project, innovative project in terms of mining the process and blockchain technology, they have to avoid, okay, they have to give some solutions in order to avoid this type of key challenges like high energy consumption and e-waste generation.